Hello, my dear students. Today, we are going to talk about the first lesson in the first term for year 5, which is talking about plant parts. Of course, you know the plant parts from year 1, 2, and 3. So, let's recap about that. Plant parts are what? Number 1, roots. You can find roots under the ground. So, it's anchor the plant and absorb water and nutrients from the soil. The second part is stem. What is the function of the stem? Yes, holds and carries water and nutrients from the roots to leaves. The third part of the plant is leaves. So now leaves is the factory for making food. So they make food by using what? Sunlight, carbon dioxide, and also it receives water and nutrients from the roots. The last part is flower. They can make seeds to grow into new plants. So the flower is the reproductive part. So we discuss 4 parts of the plant. Now let's talk about flowering plants. Flowering plants, it means a plant with flower. So all the flowers are the same? Of course not. The first type, some flowers are brighter colored. Brighter colored, it means they have an amazing color. Why? To attract birds like hibiscus flower. Number 2, some are scented. Scented, it means with a nice smell. Why? To attract pollinators like jasmine. But some flowers are neither bright nor scented. They don't have a bright color and they don't have a good smell. Like what? Like rice flowers. Now, let's talk about plant needs. Plant need what? Plants need nutrients. So it can get nutrients from soil, and leaves can make the food by photosynthesis process. How? The leaves can mix sunlight, carbon dioxide, water and nutrients to make sugar, and also it will give us oxygen. The third part is, who is the scientist that can study plants? The name of the scientist is botanist. So botanist is a scientist who study plants, and botanists, they travel around the world to find new plants, and also they find some plants that can be used as a medicine. So I'm a botanist, I need to travel around the world, find some plants to be a medicine, and also they study plants that grow in oceans. Now, in addition, they help stopping plant diseases. The last part for today, some plants reproduce through roots, stem and leaves. We said that the flowers can make seeds. But some plants don't have flowers. How can they get or reproduce? How can they get seeds or reproduce? They don't have seeds. So they can reproduce by roots, stem, and leaves, which is called what? Asexual reproduction. Some of them can reproduce through the reproductive parts. What are the reproductive organs? It's inside the flower. We can find the male organ, which is called stamen, and the female organ, which is called carpel. Well, that's all for today. Wait for me for the next lesson in the next week. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to watch more videos from your lovely channel, Science Words with Miss Dina.